You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I'm here to bring you another Cricut mystery box. And this time, this is Cricut's Wild Side mystery box, and we have a new cutie in this box too. So, first things first, as always, we are going to take a look at the cutie. And with the name of this cutie, it's going to make me want coffee. But I only have coffee once a week, so are you ready to meet the new cutie? This is the new Latte Cutie. And oops, and I would say that he is taupe. I would consider him a taupe color, but the Latte Cutie. And because we get the cutie in the box is for Cricut Access members only. So if you're not a member of Access, there are links below not only to purchase the box, but links to go ahead and see all the benefits of Access and join Access. Now, before I drop him, which I've been known to do in so many videos, I'm going to put him back in his box. You're safe for later that way, buddy. Okay, now let's get into the rest of the box. Ooh, and you guys know I love sparkly and shiny, and another thing I love is rainbow! And we are getting Rainbow Cheetah Infusible ink transfer sheets. So in here you're going to get two 12 by 12 Infusible ink transfer sheets. So you're going to get one of the beautiful Rainbow Leopard, and then you're also going to get one of this red, I will say like a wine color. I would call it like a wine color you're getting also. And if you've never used Infusible ink transfer sheets, these work on any of the Cricut blanks. So there are shirts, pillows, cosmetic bags, wine bags, coasters, all kinds of things. Basically, if you can sublimate on it, you can use the Infusible ink transfer sheets on it. You'll go ahead and cut these with your Cricut, and then you will use a heat press to go ahead and press it into your blank, whatever you are making. But I love this because you get pretty patterns, and there's all different kinds of patterns available in Infusible ink. Oh, and let me go ahead and show you. So inside your box, your Infusible ink transfer sheets will be in a black tube like this. And then inside the rolls, you're going to get two pieces of paper. This is butcher paper. You're going to use this to cover your project to go ahead and press, so don't get rid of that. But you will also have your two transfer sheets. And what I want to show you about this is the color difference. So when you open your transfer sheets, you might be like, hey, that doesn't look like it does on the box, because they are muted until you press them. So once you press that, it will become much more vivid. And this, the soft pink, this is like that wine color, which again, once you press it, you will see the actual color of it. And then when I store mine, I also put them back in the black sleeve also to protect them from light and such. And the easiest way to open these is from the bottom. And we're getting another of the Infusible ink transfer sheets, and this pattern is Leopard, which I'm thinking of. This is so funny. This box was called Wild Side. I didn't think about it, put on a leopard jacket, and leopard is in here, and I did not even think of it. Coordination. I'm coordinating. So again, two 12 by 12 sheets. You're going to have that leopard pattern, and then you're going to also have that brown also. Leopard is back, guys. I don't know if you know, but Leopard is back, which I love. We're also going to get some permanent premium vinyl in the glossy. Now this is the mint color. You're going to get 12 by 48 inches of this. But I always say this is like Tiffany blue, and this is perfect spring color because I know spring's coming. Yay! Yay for spring coming. So cute for Easter projects. And then we're getting a permanent glossy premium vinyl, and this is in a great neutral. This is the clay color, and again, you'll get 12 by 48 inches. It's kind of between like a taupe and a gray, I would say. And we are getting something shiny because we're getting the foil iron-on rose gold. And this is 12 by 24 inches, so it's that pretty rose gold. And we're getting 12 by 24 inches also of the Kelly green in the iron-on. Next, so this is going to be gray Sports Flex iron-on, so this is going to be 12 by 24 inches too. And the difference with Sports Flex than the other iron-on is it has that flex to it, so it's able to go on those really flexible like athletic materials, so like nylon, polyester. That's what you're going to go ahead and use this on, because you could put regular iron on it, but when it has that big flex like that, it can crack. So this is made to go ahead and flex with those materials. Woo! And I'm excited for this. Something we can always use more of. And we've gotten the smaller ones lately, but we haven't gotten the bigger ones. We are getting three of the 12 by 24 inch standard grip mats. Woohoo for that. That makes me very happy. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Wild Side mystery box. And because we got our cutie, it is Access members only. But in the links below, we have not only links to purchase the mystery box, which we greatly, greatly appreciate when you do that, but we have links so you can go ahead, join Access, and see all those benefits of Access too. Now the price of the box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but it's not, because one of the benefits of Access is you save on every purchase. So that is the price before your Access discount. And also in the links below are giveaways. Now we have 2 giveaways going on currently. 2, 3. Well, we have 2 giveaways and a crafting challenge going on. And we have a special Remembering Melody giveaway going on. So Sunday was the anniversary of us losing Melody. One thing that made her so happy and she loved doing was doing giveaways, and she loved new products too. So we are doing a giveaway in her honor, and she loved new products. So we're going to give away the brand new Easy Press SE in taupe 9x9 to a member of our group. Now that giveaway is a short giveaway. We have that going on only for 6 days actually. So we have 2 different hashtags to enter that giveaway. One is Melody Lane, hashtag Melody Lane giveaway, and then the other one is hashtag Remembering Melody giveaway. Now I'll go ahead and put the links to those also in the links below. That way you can go ahead and enter those giveaways. So thank you guys so much for joining us. And if you could drop a comment, and it's been 4 years since we lost Melody. So I know we do have new members, but I know we have a lot of wonderful members that remember Melody too. So in the comments below, if you could just share a favorite Melody memory with us. And hopefully inspire you guys and bring you all that crafty happiness. There's so much happiness that comes with crafting, and that's what Melody would want us to think about. I just hear her when I cry, I hear her saying, there's no crying in crafting. Create something that just makes you happy, because that would make Melody happy. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for joining us. Thank you for those comments, the likes, the shares. You guys have no idea how much that means to us. And we hope you all have a craftastic rest of your week. I know it's going to be 60s in February in Chicago, so I'm very excited. So hopefully you all have a wonderful craftastic rest of your week, and let it be filled with lots of happy crafting and those things that make you happy. So we'll see you guys next time. Happy crafting, guys.